Welcome to the final day of our big spring clean sale at Tonic Studios, where we've been adding daily bundles at outstanding prices throughout Easter. First up today, we have a huge A4 Classic card bundle containing 14 packs of weave textured cardstock in beautiful shades. This limited edition bundle is available at an incredible 70% off. Our next deal is a mega Nuvo marker pen collection that includes 11 packs in a rainbow of colours, available at a staggering 65% off. An essential stampers bundle next, with a mini stamping block, cleaning pad and cleaning solution. You can take care of your stamps the right way with this selection at 50% off. And finally, we have our adorable die and stamp set bundle. These sets create super cute critters and are available now at a massive 80% off. So that's it for our big spring clean sale. Thank you everyone who visited the store over the last 11 days. These and our other Easter deals will close on Tuesday evening, so if you haven't got yourself a bargain yet, don't miss out on some of Tonic's best ever offers.